Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all fine. I'm Miss Liz, one of the English teachers from Primary 5. Today, we're going to learn about superlatives. We use superlatives to compare three or more people, things, or places. We normally use the before the superlative adjectives. We add est to form the superlative of short, one-syllable adjectives. For example, tall, taller, the tallest. Long, longer, the longest. Old, older, the oldest. Young, younger, the youngest. Let's look at some examples. Look at this family, and let's talk about the people in this family. The father is the tallest person in the family. The little girl has got the longest hair. The baby is the youngest. The grandparents are the oldest. We add only st if the adjectives ends in e. For example, nice, nicer, the nicest. Nice ends with e, so we just add st. Large, larger, the largest. Some more spelling rules. Big, bigger, the biggest. Here we double the last letter. Fat, fatter, the fattest. Again, we double the last letter. Heavy, heavier, the heaviest. Here, y turns into I and we add est to make it a superlative. Easy, easier, the easiest. Let's look at some examples. Example number 1. Do you know which animal this is? Yes, it's a blue whale. And the blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. Example 2. Here are some questions, and all of them are easy. 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100 is easy. 5 plus 5 equals 10 is easier than 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100. But 1 plus 1 equals 2 is the easiest question. 2 or more syllable adjectives take the most in front of them. In other words, the long adjectives. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous. Intelligent, more intelligent, the most intelligent. Let's look at some examples again. Example number 1. Look at all these beautiful cars. A BMW is an expensive car. A Lamborghini is more expensive than a BMW. But Bugatti is the most expensive car. Example number 2. Horse riding, boxing, and bungee jumping. Horse riding is dangerous. Boxing is more dangerous than horse riding. But bungee jumping is the most dangerous sport. Some adjectives like good and bad have irregular superlative forms. Good, the comparative is better, and the superlative is the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Far, further, the furthest. Little, less, the least. Example number 1. 90 is a good mark. 95 is better than 90. But 100 is the best. Example 2. The yellow apple is bad. The red apple is worse. But the green apple is the worst. Look at all these beautiful and expensive shoes. The silver shoes are beautiful. The red shoes are less beautiful than the silver shoes. The black shoes are the least beautiful. Example 4. I live in Kyrenia. My house is far away from my school. My friend lives in Famagusta. Her house is further away than my house from school. But my cousin lives in Karpas. His house is the furthest from school. Here are some interesting examples. What's the highest mountain in the world? Do you know? Yes, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Who has got the longest nails in the world? Do you know? Look at this woman. Look at her nails. Lee Redmond has got the longest nails in the world. Her nails are about 6 meters long. Who is the tallest person in history? Look. Yes, Robert Wortlow was the tallest person who ever lived. He was 272 centimeters tall. What is one of the most poisonous frogs? The golden poison frog is one of the most beautiful but the most poisonous frogs. Who is one of the best football players in the world? I think Messi is one of the best football players in the world. What do you think? Who is the best football player? Now it's your turn. Let's do some exercises. Number 1. The cheetah is a very fast animal. It's animal in the world. Yes, the cheetah is a very fast animal. It's the fastest animal in the world. Number 2. Taylor Swift is a beautiful woman. I think she is singer. What's the answer? Yes, I think she is the most beautiful singer. Well done. Number 3. My father is person in the family. He is 190 centimeters tall. What's the answer? Yes, my father is the tallest person in the family. Very good. Number 4. You got 0 in the test, Sally. It's result in the class. The answer is, it's the worst result in the class. Well done. 5. He's a very good player. He's in the team. Yes, he is the best in the team. Number 6. Summer is a hot season. It's season of the year. Yes, it's the hottest season of the year. Great. 7. The Pink Star diamond ring is $70 million. It's one of jewelry. Yes, it's one of the most expensive jewelry. 8. Russia is a very big country. It's country in the world. Okay, the answer is, it's the biggest country in the world. Very good. Number 9. The elephant is 3,000 kilograms. It's animal in the zoo. It's the heaviest animal in the zoo. And the last one, science is very difficult. I think it's subject at school. What's the answer? Yes, it's the most difficult subject at school. Great job. Well done. This is the end of our lesson. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.